in this stanza. Who is she in the lines? In this line, the she refers to the little woman from whom Saint Peter had asked for only a single cake. Then, what kind of cake did she make for Saint Peter? She made a small cake for Saint Peter. And why did she think that small cake should not be given away? She was a very selfish and greedy woman, so even the small cake seemed too big to her to give away for free. So, and what does the stanza reveal about the character of that little woman? The stanza says that the little woman was a miserly, greedy person without any kindness or pity. So, we can say that in the stanza, the little woman, when she was requested by Saint Peter for a cake, made a small one for him. She made a very small cake for him, but when she lay it to bake, she felt that it was too big and must not be given away for free or without any cost. So now let's move on to the next stanza. But before beginning, let us discuss the poetic device in the seventh stanza. That is, what is the main poetic device that is used in this stanza is, the next stanza says, therefore she needed another, and still a smaller one, but it looked, when she turned it over, as large as the first had done. So in this stanza, what does another refer to? Another refers to a new and smaller cake that the woman prepares for Saint Peter. And why did the little woman need another? The little woman, she needed another big cake because greed made her feel that the earlier cake, although small, was too big to be given away. And why did she make it still smaller? She made the cake still smaller because her greedy nature hindered her from parting with even a small cake from her large store. So what we can say in the poet mean in this stanza? The poet says that a small cake that was baked by the little woman seemed to her too big to be given away as charity, because she did not have the heart to give away that piece of cake for free. So she prepared material for a still smaller cake, but when she turned it over, it seemed to her to be as big as the earlier cake. So now let's see to the poetic device that is used in this stanza. The main poetic device that is used in this stanza is again alliteration. The sound S is repeated in the lines like still a smaller one, so S is repeated. So this is the main poetic device. Now let's see to the next stanza. The next stanza says, then she took a tiny scrap of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer, but she couldn't part with that. So now this stanza shows the greediness of that little woman. Now in this line, who is she in the above lines? Why did she take a little dough only? She refers to the little woman, and she took only a little dough in order to make a very small cake for Saint Peter. And why did she go on rolling the dough? The little woman was extremely cunning. She went on rolling the dough so that the cake should appear big in size. And what kind of cake did she end up making? She ended up making a cake which had been rolled so thin that it looked like a wafer, not a cake. So we can say that in this stanza, what is the story being told? That the greed of the woman in these lines is further emphasized. In her effort to make a very small cake for Saint Peter, she took only very little dough and went on rolling it till it became thin like wafer. So we can say that she was so miserly that she couldn't bear even to give away that thinnest cake. So now let's see to the poetic device that is used in this stanza. In the third line, and baked it thin as wafer, is a simile. So the poetic device used is simile, and here the thinness of the cake has been compared to that of a wafer. So now let's move on to the next stanza. The next stanza says, for she said, my cakes that seem too small when I eat of them myself, are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. So in these lines, now the poet says that the little woman was so greedy that instead of giving away any cake to the hungry Saint Peter, she put even the smallest one on the shelf for herself. And she reasoned that her cakes appeared too small when she ate them, but seemed too big to be given away as charity. So now what does these lines reveal about the character of the little woman? As I told you that these lines, the whole poem only shows the woman's selfishness, her greedy, miserly, and the meanness. She was absolutely devoid of contentment and generosity. And why did she put the cake on the shelf? She had put the cakes on the shelf for herself, and her greed did not let her part to give away even the thinnest cake for the starving Saint Peter, and she kept back everything. Then, why? How did she feel when she had to give away the cakes? When she had to give away the cake, she felt that they were too big to be given away for free, and the reason was that she was tight-fisted, or you can say she was miserly woman for whom it was painful to give away even the smallest bit. Then now let's see to the next stanza.